Grapefruit, a tangy and nutritious citrus. Fruit. Grapefruit is a popular citrus fruit known for its refreshing taste and vibrant color. It is enjoyed by many people around the world for its unique flavor, which combines sweetness and tartness. Grapefruit is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that offer numerous health benefits. In this essay, we will explore the history of grapefruit, how it is grown, its nutritional value, and why it is a great addition to a healthy diet. Grapefruit is believed to have originated in the Caribbean in the 18th century. It is a hybrid fruit that results from the cross between the sweet orange and the pomelo, a large citrus fruit. The grapefruit was first discovered in Barbados, where it was called the forbidden fruit. The fruit spread to other parts of the world, including the United States, where it gained popularity in Florida and California. Today, grapefruit is grown in many countries with warm climates, including the United States, Mexico, Israel, and South Africa. Grapefruit trees are evergreen and can grow up to 15 feet tall. They have glossy green leaves and produce fragrant white flowers that bloom in the spring. Grapefruit fruit develops in clusters and can vary in size, shape, and color. The most common types of grapefruit are pink, red, and white. The flesh of the fruit can be juicy and sweet, with the pink and red varieties generally being sweeter than the white ones. Growing grapefruit requires a warm climate, plenty of sunlight, and well-drained soil. Grapefruit trees thrive in subtropical and tropical regions, and they need regular watering to produce healthy fruit. The trees can take several years to bear fruit, but once they mature, they can produce a large harvest. Grapefruit is typically harvested in the winter and early spring when the fruit is fully ripe. One of the reasons grapefruit is so popular is its impressive nutritional profile. Grapefruit is low in calories, making it a great choice for people who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy diet. A medium-sized grapefruit contains about 80 calories, but it is rich in vitamins and minerals that provide many health benefits. Grapefruit is an excellent source of vitamin C, an important nutrient that helps support the immune system. Just one grapefruit can provide more than 100% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C. This vitamin is essential for fighting infections, healing wounds, and protecting the body from damage caused by free radicals. The antioxidants in grapefruit help reduce inflammation and may lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. In addition to vitamin C, grapefruit is a good source of other vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, potassium, and folate. Vitamin A is important for maintaining healthy vision and skin, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health. Folate is vital for cell growth and is especially important for pregnant women, as it helps prevent birth defects. Grapefruit is also high in dietary fiber, which is important for digestive health. Fiber helps keep the digestive system functioning properly and can prevent constipation. Eating fiber-rich foods like grapefruit can also help control blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The fiber in grapefruit helps promote feelings of fullness, making it a satisfying snack. One of the unique properties of grapefruit is its potential to interact with certain medications. Grapefruit juice can affect the way some medications are metabolized in the body. This interaction can increase the concentration of certain drugs, which can lead to unwanted side effects. Therefore, it is essential for individuals taking medication to consult their healthcare provider before consuming grapefruit or grapefruit juice. Grapefruit can be enjoyed in many different ways. It can be eaten fresh, either on its own or added to salads. Many people enjoy slicing a grapefruit in half and sprinkling it with a little sugar or honey to enhance its sweetness. Grapefruit can also be juiced to make refreshing drinks, and it is often used in cocktails. The juice can be mixed with sparkling water or used as a base for smoothies. In addition to its culinary uses, grapefruit has several other applications. The essential oil extracted from grapefruit peels is often used in aromatherapy and natural cleaning products. The fresh scent of grapefruit oil is uplifting and can help improve mood and reduce stress. Grapefruit oil is also used in skincare products for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Grapefruit plays an important role in the economy of several countries. In the United States, Florida is the largest producer of grapefruit, followed by Texas and California. The grapefruit industry provides jobs for many people, from farmers to distributors. Grapefruit is also exported to various countries, contributing to international trade. Despite its many benefits, grapefruit production faces some challenges. One of the biggest threats to grapefruit crops is disease, particularly citrus greening disease. This bacterial infection can cause trees to produce fewer fruits and affect the quality of the fruit. Farmers are working hard to develop disease-resistant varieties and implement sustainable farming practices to protect their crops. Another challenge is climate change, which can affect grapefruit production. Grapefruit trees thrive in warm temperatures, but extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and frost, can harm crops. Farmers are adapting to these changes by using more resilient growing methods and diversifying their crops to reduce risks. In conclusion, grapefruit is a delicious and nutritious fruit that offers numerous health benefits. It is rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, making it an excellent choice for a healthy diet. Whether eaten fresh, juiced, or used in cooking, grapefruit is a versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in many ways. While challenges in production exist, the importance of grapefruit in nutrition and the economy remains significant. As more people discover the benefits of this tangy fruit, its popularity is sure to grow.